Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Miss,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank
I'm
you.
pretty
And
good. How about you?
Okay, thank you for asking me. I'm good too. So, before we start class, let's pray Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
you?
Okay, now we will learn about expression. There are greetings, leave takings, thanking, and apologizing expression. Okay, I want to make sure you know this material. Before I explain this material, does anyone know what this expression? Ada yang tahu? Ekspresi apa ini? So the first is greetings expression. What do you know about greetings? Ada yang tahu nggak? What is greetings? No?
I don't know, ma'am.
Sure. Okay. I will explain. Greetings is when you meet someone or new friends. I mean greetings in bahasa is ungkapan salam. So this expression divide two, formal, and informal. Formal greetings that are often used at a formal occasion, such as at meetings, meeting with someone at formal place, and so on. For example, when you meet your teacher and your boss and etc. And meanwhile, informal greetings that are used to greet friends or friends of the same age without any age difference or are not formal or official event. Di sini maksudnya itu dalam ekspresi greeting ini kan ada dibagi menjadi dua, yaitu yang ekspresi formal dan informal. Formal ini itu tuh ketika kalian menggunakan kalimat ini itu ketika kalian berada di tempat yang resmi, yaitu ketika kalian presentasi atau bertemu dengan atasan kalian, kita menyapanya menggunakan kalimat yang formal. Contohnya, ekspresinya, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? Nice to meet you. So the response is, hello, if you say hello, good morning if you say good morning, and nice to meet you when you say nice to meet you, nice to meet you too when you say nice to meet you. And informal greetings when you talk with your friends. Jadi tidak resmi, artinya kalimat ini, ungkapan ini bisa kalian gunakan ketika kalian bersama dengan teman kalian yang sebaya. Atau bisa digunakan ketika kalian bertemu adik kelas, kayak gitu. Kalian bisa, hey, what's up? What's up, bro? What's up in this? It's same with how do you do? How are you? Artinya apa kabar? In Indonesian is apa kabar? So you can responses like, I'm pretty good, I'm pretty well, I'm amazing. And then howdy. Ya kan, ada howdy. Howdy itu sama aja seperti WhatsApp yang artinya itu apa kabar. Dan the response-nya is same, like great, I'm well, I'm good, and etc. And then leave taking. Do you know leave taking? Ada yang tahu nggak apa? What is leave taking? Guys? Hello? Can you hear me?
I don't know, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, Fanny? What is leave taking?
Ucapan selamat tinggal. Benar
Yes,
nggak, ma'am?
that's good. Yes, good. leave taking is an expression to express a parting sentence or to expression when you closing conversation with your friends. Jadi kalimat perpisahan atau bisa kita katakan ketika kalian untuk menyelesaikan atau untuk mengakhiri percakapan. Nah, oke, kita lihat di leave taking kita juga bisa menggunakan dengan ekspresi goodbye and your response is bye, take care, and see you later. You can respond see you tomorrow, and see you tomorrow or see you. And then in the leave taking you can sorry I have to go now. Ya, artinya sorry, maaf aku harus pergi nih kayak gitu. And you can say never mind, see you again. Gitu. Okay, until here, do you have question? Nothing. So we sorry, I forgot about the dialogue of greetings. Example dialogue of greetings. Nah, di sini ada contoh dialog conversation greetings, yaitu misalnya Mr. Smith, hello Mrs. Logan. Mr. Logan, hello Mr. Smith. Mrs. Smith, how are you? And Mr. Logan say, I'm fine. And then the next dialog, ini yang secara formal ya, greetings ya, contoh dialog dari formal. And example of informal greetings, itu ada contohnya Chika dan Dian. Chika, hi Di, what's up? Long time no see. Long time no see, it's mean, yaitu sudah lama tidak bertemu. And Dian responses Chika, oh see, how come I never see you? I'm alright. How are things with you? And Chika respond, I'm alright too. Kita bisa banyak ya untuk ungkapan ketika kalian menanyakan kabar, itu bisa apa saja, bisa well, I'm not bad, I'm sick, and sesuai dengan your feeling ya saat itu. And then kita ke contoh dialog leave taking. Sorry, I'm so forgot to explain it. And okay, di sini ada dialog of leave taking or Gopher. Hi Putri. Wait. Yang tadi ini ya, leave taking. Okay. Gopher. Hi Putri. Putri. Hi Gopher. Gopher, how are you doing? Putri responds pretty well. By the way, where are you going? I'm going to the swimming pool. Will you join me? Putri, oh sorry, I must help my father in the studio. It's okay, see you next time. Putri says, see you, have a nice day. Di sini ada ungkapan leave taking-nya adalah see you next time. Jadi ketika ada see you next time, kita bisa mengatakan see you juga. Oke. Okay? So, the next is about thanking. What is thanking in Indonesian? Ada yang tahu arti thanking in Indonesia? Coba, I wanna ask Bunga, Tri Bunga Lestari. Do you know thanking, Bunga? Hello, Bunga. Can you hear me? Okay, I think Bunga.
Yes.
Okay. Bunga,
I'm sorry.
what is thanking? Do you know thanking?
Berterima kasih.
Yes, that's good. It's correct. Yes, benar. Thanking in Indonesia is ungkapan, ekspresi berterima kasih atas kebaikan seseorang. Jadi, ada yang tahu nggak sebelum saya menjelaskan kalimat terima kasih dalam bahasa Inggris, kalimat thanking itu apa aja? Yes? Can you give me example expression thanking? Hello, Dias. I think she has a bad connection, so I want to Elma. Elma, can you explain or give me example about thanking expression yang kamu tahu as long as you know? In English. What is it?
English. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. And the responses of thank you?
You're welcome.
Okay, good. Thank you, Elma, for your answer. So, ya, benar. Salah satu dari ungkapan yang tadi Elma itu benar, yaitu kita ketika ingin mengungkapkan terima kasih dalam bahasa Inggris itu kita bisa menggunakan thank you. Jadi, thank you expression ini tuh sebenarnya dibagi menjadi dua, formal and informal. Yang formal dulu nih, yaitu yang resmi. I'm really grateful to you. I do appreciate your kindness. You can say, I do appreciate, kayak itu sama saja seperti aku tuh berterima kasih banget loh, gitu. Saya tuh berterima kasih atas kebaikan kamu. Terus, and then you can say when you formal situation, you can say, that is a very good of you. I really cannot thank you enough. Jadi benar-benar makasih banget gitu. But informal, you can say thank you very much, many thanks a lot, and etc. And the response is you can respond this expression. Ya, benar, salah satunya ada you're welcome, and then don't mention it, forget it, yang artinya tuh sama-sama kayak gitu. Terus don't worry about it gitu. And the example of dialogue thanking expression, contohnya ini ada A, ada B. I wanna Elma and Bunga read this dialogue of thanking. Can you hear me, Elma?
Yes, Miss.
And okay. Saya mau kalian baca dialog ini.
Bunga yang mana, Miss?
Boleh yang A atau Elma yang B, boleh. Terserah, whatever.
Aku yang A. Ya.
Oke, boleh deh. Bunga yang A, Elma yang B.
Oke. Hi. I have got something for you. Here you are.
Elma.
Elma kayaknya sinyalnya susah, Miss.
Oh gitu ya. Oke deh, boleh diganti sama Feni deh. Yang B untuk
Oke.
melanjutkan dialognya. You can repeat, guys.
Okay, from
Dari
the
awal.
first ya.
Okay.
Bunga, can you repeat?
Yes, Miss. Hi, I have got something for you.
Really? What is that?
Here you are.
Oh, thank you very much for your kindness.
It was the least I could do.
This is the only thing I want right now. I have been looking for this novel for months, but I couldn't find it here in London. How could you find it?
Few days ago, I went to Edinburgh and I found it in a big bookstore there.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention it.
Oke, thank you guys. So di sini kan ada kalian bisa mengungkapkan dengan ada kan yang kata-kata thank you very much, thank you so much, dan responnya bisa don't mention it. Kayak gitu. Sampai sini ya paham? Paham,
Yes,
paham.
ma'am.
Oke, dan kalau misalnya paham, saya akan melanjutkan the next material. So the next material about apologizing. What is apologizing? Apologizing is an expression to apologize for having done something wrong or regretting an action. I think in bahasa, apologizing adalah ungkapan meminta maaf ketika kalian melakukan kesalahan. So, I wanna you give me example expression of apologizing in English. Can you give me example, Fanny? Ada yang mau?
I'm sorry, like that, ma'am?
Yes, that's good. Ada yang mau nambahin selain I'm so sorry? Yang kalian tahu ekspresi apologizing? Alma? Bunga?
No.
No? Oke. Ya udah kita lanjut ke expressionnya. Apologizing expression, we can say sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm really sorry, forgive me, I apologize, pardon me. It's same, artinya sama, yaitu adalah meminta maaf. Walaupun kalimatnya berbeda kayak pardon me, yaitu maafin aku dong. Gitu. Terus sorry for my mistake, artinya dia benar-benar merasa bersalah sehingga mereka mengatakan meminta maaf, mengucapkan minta maaf. So, the responsesnya kalian bisa merespon ekspresi ini dengan it's okay, nggak apa-apa gitu in Indonesian. It's fine, never mind, don't apologize, and etc. And the example of dialogue apologizing expression, the first, Ahmad, Imam, can you lend me your calculator? Imam say, I'm sorry, Ahmad, I'm still using it. Ahmad, that's okay, I'll borrow another. And then di sini kan ada kata I'm sorry, that's okay, artinya ya nggak apa-apa gitu. Oke, sampai sini ada yang mau ditanyakan dari 4 ekspresi ini, guys? Hello. I
Hello,
want
ma'am.
you open camera. Oke. Sampai sini sudah paham?
Paham ya.
Apakah ada yang masih bingung? So if I want to you make sure if you benar-benar understand about this material, I wanna ask you, what is greetings? Ada yang bisa jawab? Definition of greetings, boleh terserah kalian. Nggak perlu persis sama yang tadi saya jelaskan. Yang penting kalian paham. And just make sure you understand about this material. Ada yang mau jawab? I think Fanny, you know this answer, this question. You can try to answer this question, Fanny, please.
Ya, tadi apa, Ma'am, pertanyaannya?
What is greetings?
Ya, greeting itu seperti kalimat sapaan.
Can you give me example?
Ya, contohnya, hello, hi, good morning. Just
Okay,
like, ma'am.
good. So the responses of the expression, give me example. When you say good morning, and then the response is good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning. Okay, good. Then when I say how are you, and then you say
I'm fine.
selain I'm fine apa lagi? I'm good, ma'am. I'm good, okay. And then
Pretty good, ma'am.
yes, good. Benar sekali. Jadi selain bisa menggunakan, kadang bosen ya ketika kalian ditanya how are you, I'm fine. Padahal kita bisa mengganti kalimat I'm fine itu dengan I'm pretty well, I'm good, I'm amazing today, I'm so good today. Ya, jadi harus ingat kalimat ungkapan untuk merespons how are you itu bukan hanya I'm fine, tapi banyak sekali kalimatnya ya. Harus diingat ya untuk ungkapan ini. So, I want ask Elma, what is apologizing? Permintaan maaf, ma'am. Yes, that's good. Can you give me expression? Contohnya seperti I'm sorry. Yes, apologize good. For Oke, paham ya untuk apologizing. So, two responses of apologizing apa Elma? To mention it. Okay, no problem. Okay, good. So, Oke, sampai sini dari apologizing, greetings, kalian udah paham. So, I want to ask again about what is leave taking. Tribunga, can you try to answer this question? You want to try? Ada kalian yang mau bantu jawab? Definition of leave taking. Apa ya? Oke, jadi saya ulangi ya. Dalam ekspresi ini kan kita membahas 4 ekspresi. Yang pertama itu ada greetings, yang dimana greetings dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah ungkapan salam. Ketika kalian bertemu seseorang, kalian bisa mengatakan hi, hello, dan sebagainya. Kemudian ada leave taking, yaitu kalimat perpisahan atau untuk ungkapan mengakhiri conversation, percakapan. Yaitu kalian bisa menggunakan ekspresi bye, terus goodbye, see you, and etc. And then the third expression of thanking, yaitu in bahasa Indonesia, you can say terima kasih, ucapan terima kasih atas kebaikan seseorang. Thank you. And then you can respond, don't mention it anytime. No problem, and etc. So, and then the last one, dialogue of apologizing, yaitu ungkapan permintaan maaf ketika kalian melakukan kesalahan. Jadi you can say, I'm so sorry, pardon me, forgive me, and etc. So I think you understand this material. I want you try to practice this expression. Kalian bisa mencoba untuk untuk menjawab, untuk latihan kalian agar lebih bisa memahami. Jadi untuk pertemuan kali ini saya akan berikan kalian tugas, yaitu di mana kalian make a dialogue of greetings, leave taking, thanking, and obliging with your friends. Jadi kalian dengan temannya. Jadi satu dialog itu terdiri dari 2 orang. Kemudian mention 10 expression greetings, leave taking, thanking, and obliging. Selain yang tadi saya sudah jelaskan, kalian bisa mencarinya. Yang sudah saya sebutkan tidak boleh dicantumkan ya. Okay, I think it's enough for today. If doesn't question, apa ada pertanyaan sebelum saya mengakhiri? Guys,
I think
you
no
have
more.
questions. Okay, so before we will end this meeting, we say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, thank you so much for today. See you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you, ma'am. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.